The gold medal for the crop of Western pepper is here again. Hello, wives! Today is this makeup, and the makeup is called Okay. Let's do some makeup first. Then we'll bring a contact lens. It's gin and rice wine from IC. This is a cold tea gray-green paper towel contact lens. Reiki Special. These are two of his synonyms in my mind. The perfect fit for our makeup today. Next, use salmon concealer. Cover the dullness in the eyes and around the lips. Then apply the liquid foundation. Well, in this way, everyone can't change it. See his color clearly. Then we'll take a picture of him. Okay, that's it in the end. Grooming a gray coffee tone grooming. What he does here is enhance the cotton contrast. The role of deepening the profile. Today we are cold and depressing. So grooming is also cold. It's actually a nose shadow brush, but I use it to draw eyebrows. It's gray-brown eyeshadow. The end point of today's eyebrows is that they are flat, but it has to have a little eyebrow peak. This will highlight his wolf nature. What I'm using here is a grayish-green eyebrow dye. I want to ask about contact lenses, but it doesn't feel right after dyeing. So I used another dark gray-brown. The two stack well. And then the nose. The point of nose shadow is that the bridge of the nose should be parallel. The nose is the core nose. But I still don't feel good about this core nose. Good painting, I adjusted it many times. Okay, keep deepening the bridge of the nose. I'm going to use some dark brown rubber here. I traced the root of the eyelashes. It's a base for him. After pasting the eyelashes like this, it will be deeper when you draw again. The corner of the eye is still the upper eyelid here, front shape and lower eyelid. Although it looks a little scary now. But don't panic yet, let's widen the double eyelids first. Then apply false eyelashes. Pinch it first, then brush the mascara. I must lose 25 kilograms when I record next time. It looks better now. Then apply another layer of double eyelids to widen it. The black glue pen connects the corners of the eyes and false eyelashes. Draw the shape of the front corner of the eye. Check the lower eyelid at the corner of the painted eye. Then connect it to the entire lower eyelid. Up close display. And then the other side too. Yeah, looks much better. The eyeliner doesn't need to be stretched too long. Just based on the shape of your eye end. Draw a Yangtze River delta. Then you can fill in its shape. Dip a small brush in dark brown to faint the lower eyelid. Very thin eyeliner in dark brown. Because the lower eyeliner is black, so you need to draw the lower eyelashes to coordinate. You can refer to the eyelash trend I drew. After drawing the approximate shape, using black extreme eyeliner again, the pen traced him deeper. That's about it. The eyeshadow is still beige. This is convenient for smudging the lower eyelids later. Don't forget the rice apricot paint on the upper eyelids. Gray-brown eyeshadow. Then iron near the root of the eyelashes. And the back end of the eye. The eye should also be swept lightly, for the back end of the eye. You can smudge it in circles. It's still the rice apricot color just now, and it's dizzy on the lower eyelid. This way the color will look more natural. Agio Saleva. Dark brown. Paint your eyes. This will make the corners of the eyes look more natural. Agio Saliva brightening. Run the eyelashes again. My eyes are like spiders. This is my new pink and purple eyeshadow disc. Let's use this light pink-purple sweep on the cheeks. And the bridge of the nose. I changed a small brush and continued to scan. By the way, I brought the top of the eyebrows and the pupil. Little brush plus our nasal sound. Mainly yaman and nose. So this is deepening the shape of the nuclear mind. Understand? Use a bigger brush to connect. Use this darker powder for the eye sockets. Then rose pink. Give it a thin point under the end of the eye. And here's the bridge of the nose. Upper lip edge to cover lip color. Rose pink, scan it. Then use a lip liner to outline the lip shape. Naked gray pink pure mud. Apply this deepest pink purple to your lips. Iron it so that the cold purple tone will be heavier. If there is a suitable lip glaze color, it can be ignored. This one. It's almost there, and then let's highlight the middle. A fine flash brightens the color and sweeps it across the surface. I think it will be more textured. Platinum pearlescent brightening painted on the bridge of the nose. And eyes. Age your saliva a little too, in the highest part of the upper lip, and raised places in pupil. Almost.